What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to dive into something that can save you some serious cash when it comes to car maintenance. We all know how expensive it can be to take your ride to the mechanic, especially for those routine jobs that you might just be able to do yourself. But I get it. The thought of getting your hands dirty and cracking open that toolbox can be a bit daunting. That's why I'm here to show you the top 5 car maintenance tools that are an absolute game changer for the DIY enthusiast or anyone looking to save a few bucks. These tools are not only affordable, but also incredibly user-friendly, even for those who aren't exactly mechanically inclined. And trust me, once you get the hang of using them, you'll wonder why you ever paid a mechanic for those simple maintenance tasks. So whether you're a seasoned DIYer or a complete beginner, stick around because this video is going to be a game changer for your wallet and your car's well-being. Tool number 1, socket and ratchet set. All right, let's kick things off with the bread and butter of any DIY toolkit, a good quality socket and ratchet set. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't that just for mechanics and car enthusiasts? Well, think again. This set is incredibly versatile and can tackle a wide range of maintenance tasks, from changing your oil and air filters to rotating your tires or even swapping out brake pads. And the best part? You don't need to be a mechanic to use it effectively. One of the key advantages of a socket set is that it allows you to easily loosen and tighten those stubborn bolts and nuts without stripping them or breaking your knuckles in the process. And with a range of socket sizes, you'll be able to tackle just about any job your car throws your way. But it's not just about convenience. Having a good socket set can also save you a ton of money in the long run. Think about it. Instead of paying a mechanic upwards of $100 for an oil change, you could do it yourself for the cost of the oil and a filter, which is usually less than $30. Over time, those savings really add up. Tool number 2, Code Reader. Raise your hand if you've ever had that dreaded check engine light pop up on your dashboard. It's a frustrating situation, and the first instinct is often to head straight to the mechanic. But what if I told you that with a simple code reader, you could diagnose and potentially fix the issue yourself? A code reader is a small, handheld device that connects to your car's diagnostic port, usually located under the dashboard, and reads the trouble codes that triggered the check engine light. It's like having a mechanic's diagnostic tool right in your pocket, and it can save you a ton of money on costly diagnostic fees. Now, I know what you're thinking, but what if I don't understand the codes? That's where the beauty of the internet comes in. With a quick search, you can usually find detailed explanations of what each code means and how to potentially fix the issue. And the best part? Some of these code readers are incredibly affordable, with decent ones starting around $20 to $30. Compared to the hundreds of dollars you might spend at a mechanic's shop just for them to hook up their diagnostic tool, it's a no-brainer investment. But the benefits don't stop there. With a code reader, you can also monitor your car's performance, check for any pending issues, and even reset the check engine light once the problem is fixed. It's like having a mechanic on call without the hefty hourly rate. Tool number 3, brake bleeding kit. All right, let's move on to something a little more advanced, a brake bleeding kit. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't that a bit too technical for a DIYer? Well, hear me out. Replacing your brake fluid is an often overlooked but crucial maintenance task. Over time, brake fluid can become contaminated with moisture, which can cause all sorts of issues, from spongy brakes to complete brake failure in extreme cases. And while you could take your car to a mechanic for a brake fluid flush, you'd be looking at a hefty bill, often upwards of $100 or more. But with a simple brake bleeding kit, you can do the job yourself for a fraction of the cost. These kits typically come with everything you need: a fluid catch bottle, tubing, and a one-person bleeding tool that makes the process a breeze, even for a beginner. Now, I know the thought of messing with your brakes might seem a bit daunting, but trust me, with a little guidance and maybe a friend to help, it's a surprisingly straightforward process. And the sense of accomplishment and money saved you'll feel after successfully bleeding your brakes is worth it. But the benefits don't stop there. By regularly flushing your brake fluid, you'll not only extend the life of your braking system, but also ensure that your brakes are functioning at their optimal level, which is crucial for your safety on the road. Tool number 4, torque wrench. All right, let's talk about a tool that might not be as well known as the others. But trust me, it's an absolute game changer. The torque wrench. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't that just for mechanics? Well, think again. A torque wrench is an essential tool for anyone who wants to ensure that their car's nuts and bolts are tightened to the proper specifications. You see, over-tightening or under-tightening bolts can lead to all sorts of issues, from stripped threads and broken components to premature wear and tear. And when it comes to critical components like your wheels or suspension, you don't want to take any chances. With a torque wrench, you can simply set the desired torque value, usually specified in your car's manual or online, and tighten the bolt or nut until the wrench clicks, indicating that you've reached the perfect torque level. But the benefits don't stop there. A torque wrench can also be used for a wide range of maintenance tasks, from changing your spark plugs to tightening your exhaust system components. And let's be honest, who doesn't want to feel like a pro mechanic, even if it's just for a day? And the best part? Decent torque wrenches can be found for as little as $20 to $30, which is a small price to pay for the peace of mind and potential savings it can provide. Tool number 5, jack and jack stands. Last but certainly not least, we have the dynamic duo of car maintenance tools, the jack and jack stands. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't that just for changing tires? Well, my friend, you're only scratching the surface. While these tools are indeed essential for tire changes, and let's be honest, changing a tire yourself can save you a pretty penny, they also open up a world of possibilities for DIY maintenance and repairs. With a sturdy jack and a set of jack stands, you can safely lift your car and gain access to components that would otherwise be out of reach. From inspecting your suspension and brakes to changing your oil or even replacing your exhaust system, these tools are like the keys to your car's inner workings. But safety should always be your top priority when working under a lifted vehicle. That's why it's crucial to invest in a high-quality jack and jack stands that are rated for your car's weight. Trust me, you don't want to risk getting pinned under your ride. And while these tools might seem a bit more intimidating than the others, with a little guidance and some common sense, they're actually quite straightforward to use. Plus, imagine the sense of accomplishment and money saved you'll feel when you successfully tackle a job that would typically require a trip to the mechanic. So, there you have it. The top 5 car maintenance tools that can save you some serious cash and empower you to take your car's well-being into your own hands. Now, I want to hear from you. What's been your experience with DIY car maintenance? Have you tried any of these tools before? Or are you a seasoned DIYer with some tips and tricks to share? Drop a comment below and let's get a conversation going. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe to my channel for more money-saving tips and DIY adventures.